Hey guys, today I'm doing some nails for Felix's birthday. I know it was a few days ago, but I wanted to wait for the Pewdiepie Birthday G Fuel cup to come. It was so cute, just all the colors. So before I tried mixing up like a bunch of colors to put on the nails, did not work that well. So I'm just starting off with a yellow that I already have. Then with a pink that I mixed up, I started making the lines. I'm going to try and link down everything I use, but honestly I don't remember what colors. Also, the pink shows a bit more like orange, I guess, because it's like over the yellow and it just makes it look that way. I really did not know how to hold the nail, so like my pointer finger is like really weird the entire time, but don't even worry about it. I needed a way to hold it. You're gonna see my head pop up like a bunch, but that's cause like I literally can't see what I'm doing when I have my hands out like that, especially when I want to do fine lines. I really wanted to do this on myself. I miss having long nails, but my pinky nail is still messed up, so I gotta wait a bit longer, but I could always do my other hand, but it is my right hand, and I don't know if I can do that. Also, my table is like really unstable in this, so the camera does shake because it's like hitting into my tripod, but please don't pay attention to it. It was kind of annoying. Here I'm just going with more yellow and putting it in between the lines to kind of thicken it up because the lines are like more raised than the yellow, and to make it more opaque or whatever the word is because it's kind of see-through. You can kind of see what I'm going for here. I did go in with this other dotting tool to kind of thicken up some of the lines because in the design it's like thicker in certain parts. Also, I'm using a dotting tool just because I have no control over like an actual nail brush. It could be because I bought some really cheap ones and they literally don't stay together at all. I might have to get some better ones, but I just feel like I have more control with a dotting tool. Okay, now I'm doing like a border. You can't really see what I'm doing just because it's not like a really thick border, but on the cup it's like bordered in with the pink. I go in with the top coat. I do have to do 2 coats because after one it was still bumpy. You'll see that in a minute. Okay, on to the second one. It's literally the same thing, but for this one, I didn't really care about making it perfect. I did everything at once, and then I flipped it around so I was working top to bottom instead of bottom to up, which makes way more sense. And I just made sure to clean up everything after I made the lines, so I didn't take even more time cleaning after every single line. And then here's the final nail. It's so cute. I compared it to the cup and the pink on the nail looks way more orange from the yellow. And for the last 3 nails, I painted them all with this white and then I went over it with a yellow, pink, and a purple to match like the colors on the cup. Putting the white under just kind of makes the colors more vibrant. For the pink, I had no idea what to do. I found this jelly shade in my polishes, so I just used that, but there's a whole mess on the side because I was trying to find a perfect color, which didn't end up happening, but I think this one worked really well. For the purple, I mixed up these colors like earlier. I don't remember which ones I used, and I think I did put a glow in the dark one in it, which I didn't want to put glow in the dark in the solid color ones. Here's them glowing, they're so cute. And here's some after pics. I think that they turned out really well. Thank you so much for watching. Happy birthday, Felix. Well, late birthday, I guess, but I'll see you guys next time.